Hey guys, this is John from the Lucky Needle, and I just wanted to do a quick video for you guys on how to set the speed on your Sailrite Workhorse motor. It is a little bit confusing. You know, a lot of the other servo motors, they just have a little dial that you push, but I think it's worth it on this motor because it is so much easier to control than a lot of the other servo motors out there. So all you're going to do is, on this little display here, normally when it's running it just has this P and the other little guy moving around there. I don't know why or what the reason for that is for, but anyways, to set the speed you want to push the P button and it's going to go to N0, and then to set the speed you want to click S, and when you click S that's going to show you the speed that it's on right now. If you look in the manual that it comes in, you know, S40 is going to be, the max speed is 950 stitches per minute, which is pretty fast. And I find that, you know, this setting that it comes on, it's already, you know, pretty good. It's easily controllable. You can really go nice and slow with this machine or nice and fast at this setting. But maybe you need to change it. So all you need to do is press P. It's going to go to NO, press S, and then when you want to choose a setting, you just keep clicking S, and it's going to cycle through all the numbers. And if you look at your manual, each one of those numbers is going to tell you exactly what that means. So I'm just going to go all the way back around to 40 because that's where I like it. I like it right where it comes from the factory. When you get to the setting that you want, you just need to press P and it's going to save that for you. And it's going to remember this every single time that you turn on the motor. So if you want to go back to it, it's going to save that speed. So you don't have to reset this every single time. Alright, if you like that video and you want to see another one, make sure you click to your right here. And don't forget about all the courses we have available at the Lucky Needle. Click here in the corner to get more information. And don't forget to subscribe right here.